Nothing Phone 2A, a feature-packed mid-ranger with a transparent twist. The Nothing Phone 2A carves a niche in the crowded mid-range smartphone market with its striking design and feature-rich package. Here is a closer look at what this phone offers. A head-turning design with hidden tech. The Phone 2A throws out the traditional phone aesthetic. Gone are the bulky bezels, replaced by a near edge-to-edge flexible AMOLED display that delivers vibrant colors and a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate for an immersive viewing experience. But the real showstopper is the transparent back. More than just a conversation starter, the back houses the phone's glyph interface, a customizable array of LED lights that act as notification alerts, a charging indicator, and even collaborate with certain apps to visually track progress. Power under the hood. Don't be fooled by the phone's sleek looks. The Nothing Phone 2A packs a punch when it comes to performance. At its heart lies the custom-developed MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro processor, co-engineered by Nothing to deliver efficiency and smooth operation. This is backed by 8 GB of RAM, with an additional virtual RAM boost option for handling demanding apps and multitasking with ease. Whether you are browsing social media, streaming videos, or playing games, the Phone 2A should keep up without breaking a sweat. Capture those memories. The Nothing Phone 2A boasts a versatile dual-camera system on the back. The main focus is a 50MP sensor with built-in optical image stabilization (OIS) for capturing sharp, steady photos and videos, even in low-light conditions. Complementing this is a 50MP ultra-wide sensor, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or fitting more elements into your shot. On the front, a 32MP camera ensures you look your best during selfies and video calls. Speedy charging and solid battery life. The 5000 mAh battery promises to keep you powered throughout the day. When it's time to recharge, the phone supports 45W fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up the battery and get back on the go. A caveat to consider. While the Nothing Phone 2A offers a compelling feature set, there's one aspect that might deter some users: the lack of expandable storage. The phone comes with only 128 GB of internal storage, and unlike many competitors, it doesn't have a microSD card slot for adding extra space. If you plan on storing a lot of photos, videos, and apps, this might be a limiting factor. In conclusion, the Nothing Phone 2A is a breath of fresh air in the mid-range segment. It offers a unique transparent design with a customizable light interface, powerful performance for everyday tasks, and a capable camera system. However, the lack of expandable storage might be a concern for users with heavy storage needs. Ultimately, the Phone 2A is a compelling option for those who prioritize style, performance, and a unique user experience, as long as 128 GB of storage is sufficient for their needs.